Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your laptop. First of all, what you have to do is open settings on your laptop, go to the Bluetooth and devices. So what you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth and then click on add device, select Bluetooth. Now before selecting Bluetooth, what you have to do is grab your headphones, set them in a pairing mode. Now usually you can make your headphones go into pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button. You can also check the instruction manual or see a quick YouTube video to check how to make your headphones into a pairing mode. Once they're in the pairing mode, then you have to select Bluetooth option. Now what will happen? It will automatically find your devices. Once it found the device, you can select your headphones in the list. Once selected, you will be able to see the name of your headphones in the Bluetooth and devices. You can simply click on connect, and that's simply how you can connect Bluetooth headphones to your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.